Hey, 8th graders. Yesterday we talked about staying in the saddle till the end of the year, till the end of the race, stay the course. And I encourage you to be Colossians 3:23 people. Colossians 3:23 says this: whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord and not for human masters. So let's make that our challenge, both as teachers and students, to continue to work for the Lord. Right now, that's the job that we have, to be teachers and students. So let's do our very best. I told you to come today with your creative juices flowing. Because we're going to dive into the story that we've been studying in the last couple of days. We have seen this mounting tension between the United States and Great Britain. Great Britain continues to search and seize American ships. We had that little run-in between the Chesapeake and the Leopard out in the Atlantic Ocean. Great Britain is also making alliances with Native Americans on the Western home front. And we have this group of young Republicans called the War Hawks they're fed up with this tension. They want more land. They want war with Great Britain. So we're leading up to the War of 1812. There were 4 important vocab words in the story that we've been reading the last couple of days: tribute, neutral rights, embargo, and nationalism. I want you to become the teacher and put a visual to these words. So this is how I'm going to have you do this. I would like you to create a Flipgrid where you demonstrate the meaning of the 4 words above. You can help enlist the help of your siblings. You can do it on your own. You can use props or manipulatives. You can dress in costumes, whatever it takes to really teach people the meaning of these words. Now, side note from a mom: if you take out a bunch of props or junk out of your toy box or costumes or whatever, put it all back. That makes moms happy. Anyway, start thinking about what you could do to demonstrate these words. I'm going to show you in just a little bit. I did this assignment too, so I'll give you a few of my examples here in just a little bit. Make sure it's clear what word you're doing. I hold up signs in my videos to show what word it is, and make sure you recite the definition in some way in each clip. Here's the deal. Some of you love this type of assignment. This is your jam. Others of you do not like this because it's so embarrassing. I hope we've created this culture in U.S. history class that it's okay to be silly and to act things out, and it's a safe place. But I understand where you're coming from. So please note this: I will get your permission before posting your Flipgrid for all to see. So for right now, this Flipgrid is only between you and me. Okay, I'm going to share one to you. You'll be able to see me being silly, and you're going to share one to me. No one else will see it. Now, I might ask a few of you if I could post it for others to see, but I will get your permission. I just want you to feel free to let loose and be creative, okay? I posted the page numbers by there, so you could go back and take a look at the definition, kind of see it in context, do a little planning and forethought as you prepare to do your videos. Have fun, be creative, be accurate. Here are the links, depending on which class you're a part of, for you to record them. All right. I'm going to go ahead and show you my examples of these 4 words.
You must pay your tribute before you proceed any further.
My tribute? You mean the money I pay to stay protected?
Yes.
Here it is.
You may proceed.
Nationalism, showing loyalty to one's country. We're going to use magnetiles here to show the word embargo, which means to prohibit trade or stop trade from another country. So we're going to pretend that this is country A and it has an embargo on. So it's almost like it has invisible walls all the way around it. So country B here can't trade, send their ships over because they have prohibited trade. Same thing with country C over here and their ships. It's like there's an invisible wall around the country. They have prohibited trade with everyone. That's embargo. All right, Diet Coke and Diet Mountain Dew. I am not going to get in the middle of your little squabble. I am staying neutral. I am not taking sides because I want to be able to enjoy a Diet Coke and to be able to enjoy a Diet Mountain Dew. This is similar to the neutrality rights that we read about when Britain and France went to war in 1803. The United States did not take sides because they wanted to be able to trade with each one of them. And they were able to do that by staying neutral and sail the seas freely. All right, there you go. Those were my Academy Award-winning performances for the 4 words. And now it's your turn to go for it, to plan, to be creative. I'm actually going to make the due date of this tomorrow, Friday, but not till 4 o'clock. Okay, so you have all of today and tomorrow to finish it. There will be something posted for you tomorrow as well, a couple videos that I'm going to have you watch that won't be due till Monday. But I am backing up the due date on this a little bit if you need time to plan and to record today and tomorrow, okay? Contact with questions, go to it, Chargers.